Kaya, kaya. Start ka 45. Boom! Pero I think bawal matapos ng below yan. Ready? Pause ako din. Para nakapagpahinga pa sila. Ayan, sakto. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Power snatch. Power snatch. 10 reps. Nakuha nyo na yan, ma'am. Sati. Meron po tayong chok. Meron chok dyan. Yes, ma'am. Chok po. 10 reps. Yes, ma'am. Tama po. Good job, ma'am. 10 counts. Ma'am, kaya po na cellphone, ha? Nice one. 10 high pull. 12 reps. Pwedeng close, pwedeng narrow grip. So, pwedeng yung clean grip, okay lang yun. Personal preference nyo kung saan gusto nyo mag-high pull. Yeah, sige ma'am. Hang. Pwedeng may hip dig. Sige. So, ma'am. 12 reps. So, para sa ano yan? Traps. Sa traps, tsaka upper shoulder yan, upper back. Sige ma'am. Let's go. Set. Help, pull-up slasher. Help, pull-up slasher. Okay, wait for 10 reps. Sir, fight pa. Fight pa, sir. Pasa na. Kahit may hip dip. Sige, pag gano'n. Yan. Okay na yan, ma'am. Sige. Sige, ma'am. Let's go. Ang burpees nyo, plank lang. Wala na push up. Kaya kung gusto nyo may push up, hindi kayo mas important. Mami, ha? Go, ma'am, German. Let's go. Burpees, 15 reps. Ma'am, dito ka umarap. Nag-i-slide. Nag-i-wire yung